In this video, you'll learn how to take screenshots in Windows 10 using two simple methods, the Snipping Tool and the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Shift plus S. These are the easiest built-in ways to capture your screen without installing any extra software. Let's start with the fastest method, which is the keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, press Windows key plus Shift plus S. Once you press it, your screen will dim and a small capture menu will appear at the top of your screen. This is the Windows Screen Snipping Tool. From this menu, you can choose different screenshot options such as rectangular snip, freeform snip, window snip, or full screen snip. In most cases, rectangular snip is the most useful because it lets you select exactly the part of the screen you want. After you select an area, the screenshot is copied directly to your clipboard. This means you can instantly paste it into apps like Microsoft Word, Paint, email, or chat applications by pressing Ctrl+V. This method is the fastest way to take a screenshot in Windows 10 when you don't need to save a file immediately. Now let's move on to the second method, which is using the Snipping Tool application. To open it, click on the Start menu, type Snipping Tool, and open the app. In Windows 10, the Snipping Tool is a built-in program that allows more control over your screenshots. Once the Snipping Tool is open, click New to start a capture. You can then drag your mouse to select the area of the screen you want to capture. After taking the screenshot, it will open inside the Snipping Tool window. From here, you can annotate your screenshot by using a pen or highlighter tool. This is useful if you want to point out important information, create guides, or highlight details in an image. You can also copy the screenshot or save it directly to your computer. Choose your file format such as PNG or JPG. Then select where you want to store it on your computer. This makes the Snipping Tool ideal for users who want to keep organized screenshot files instead of just copying them temporarily. Both tools are already built into Windows 10 and do not require any installation. With just these two methods, you can easily capture and share anything on your screen in seconds.